Okie dokie, so today we're finding this function and we're going to find where it's increasing and where it is concave up. So the equation is 6x squared. And so first we want to do, so basically to find these things we're going to do a first and second derivative test. So this is going to be my u, this is going to be my v. So u prime is going to be 12x. V prime is going to equal 3 because the 1 will come off the x. It'll turn to 0. That's a constant, so it's 0. So v is 3. U prime v minus uv prime over v squared is the little formula we're going to follow. So if we lay that out, drawn in my parentheses, u prime, 12x, v, 3x plus 6, minus u is 6x squared, v prime, 3. So let's see what we're going to get. We're going to get 12 times 3 is 36 x squared, and then that's plus 6 times 12 is 72 x minus 3 times 6, which is 18 x squared. 12, 12, 12. I'm going loopy. 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 36. Okay. And so then we subtract those. 18 minus 36. Oh, this is all over. I'm going to do the v squared, so I'm just going to leave that 3x plus 6 squared. And then So now we take 36, we subtract 18. Oh, subtraction, my bad. 2, 8, 1, 18. 18, 18, 16, 36. Okie dokie, so now we have 18x squared plus 72x over 3x plus 6 squared. This equals g prime. And so for where g prime equals 0 is going to be where 18x squared plus 72x equals 0. So we'll pull the x out and have 18x plus 72. And then we'll pull 72 out. I'm going to need a calculator for that. Oh, I'm looking. Here we go. So then this will be, that'll go to 0. So when x is 0, this thing will be 0. And then 72, negative 72 equals 18x. So 72 divided by 18, x equals 4. So using the first derivative test, and there I'm going to put 0, and then I'm going to put a 4. Let's see, negative 4, because this 72 will become negative when we move it over. So my points to choose are going to be negative 1, 1, and negative 5. And so technically now I have to run these through the first derivative test. So let's start with 1. So 1 is going to give us 18, and 72. Okay, that's positive on top. The bottom is going to be positive, so that's because g prime is positive here, or greater than 0, it's going to be increasing. Negative 1, that's going to be positive 18 minus 72. It's negative, decreasing. The bottom is always going to be positive because it's squared. So that's decreasing. And then the negative 5. The negative 5 is going to be squared, so I'm going to have 25 times 18, and that's going to be 450. And 72 times 5 is 360. So it's going to be positive again. Increasing. Oh no, did I bump it? Let's hope not. Okay. And then, so, increasing. Let's see. Increasing from negative infinity to 5, union 0, or negative 4, union 0 to positive infinity. So that's where it's increasing, and then in part 2 I'll do decreasing.